What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best water filter pitcher in 2022. There's a lot of choice for water filter pitcher. Maybe your water smells funny and tastes metallic. These could be signs that it is time to change your water filter. The best water filters not only improve the taste of your water, but they can also remove many of the harmful materials that hide in your water supply. While no water filter will completely remove every single contaminant, the best water filters can purify your water and help protect your family's health. Those who depend on well water could be at a higher risk for contaminants, but that is where a water filter can help. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Aquagear Water Filter Pitcher. It is a workhorse, removing 2,000% more common contaminants than the leading competitor. This includes crucial materials like lead, chlorine, cadmium, microplastics, herbicides, and pesticides. Unlike many other popular brands, the Aquagear filter uses selective filtration to retain the healthy minerals that your body needs, like calcium, potassium, and magnesium. With a capacity of 120 gallons, it far exceeds the lifetime of other water filters, while still holding 8 full cups of water. Using BPA-free, recyclable materials, the Aquagear water filter pitcher is inspected in an ISO 17025 accredited lab, and topped off with a lifetime guarantee. Even better, with every purchase, Aquagear gifts 6 months of clean water to someone in need. Specification and features. Brand, Aquagear. Capacity, 80 fluid ounces. Product dimensions, 11L x 6 inches wide by 11 inches high. Purification method, activated carbon, ion exchange. Item weight, 3.02 pounds. Reasons to buy. Removes high levels of contaminants. Long filter life. Lifetime guarantee. Reasons to avoid. Longer filtering time. Limited size. Pricier filter. Number 2. Brita Filtered Water Pitcher. The Brita 18-cup Ultra Max water dispenser is an oversized water filter pitcher designed for big families and large groups. It is large enough to hold 18 cups of water, that is equal to about 6 24-ounce water bottles, making this pitcher especially convenient for after-school practices and morning runs. Brita estimates that you can reduce your use of plastic water bottles by 1,800 bottles each year by using its water filter dispenser. In addition to BPA-free materials, Brita adds convenient bonus features like its precision pour spigot and easy locking lid. Despite its enormous capacity, the space-efficient design is still compact enough to fit on a refrigerator shelf. Brita's 18-cup Ultra Max water dispenser tackles certain minerals in your water, including chlorine, to perfect both your water's taste and odor. The water filter also removes any mercury, copper, zinc, and cadmium that may be lurking in your water supply. While compatible with a standard filter, the Long Last Plus filter lasts approximately 6 months before a replacement is needed. It is 3 times longer than the life of a standard filter. Specification and features. Brand, Brita. Color, gray. Material, polystyrene. Capacity, 1.13 gallons. Product dimensions, 14.57 L x 6.06 inches wide by 13.7 inches high. Item weight, 3 pounds. Model name, Ultramax. Reasons to buy. Long Last Plus filter technology. Excellent filtration system. Durable build. Reasons to avoid. Limited lifespan. Some leaking issues. Filters may require replacement sooner. Number 3. Waterdrop Water Filter Pitcher. The Waterdrop Chubby is an industry leader when it comes to a budget water filter pitcher. Its capacity is limited to just 10 cups, or 3.5 liters, but its filter promises a long life of up to 200 gallons, the most of any water filter on our list. In addition to the convenient spout lid, the intelligent indicator is a convenient addition that automatically senses when you are pouring water, showing filter usage on the LED display. Just one chubby water filter allows for more than 1,616-ounce water bottles before replacement is needed. Multi-stage water filter technology is combined with silver-loaded activated carbon to purify your water. It works to reduce the number of impurities, targeting contaminants like arsenic, fluoride, and lead. The design features a plastic pitcher that is made from lead-free NSF 372 certified materials, and is also NSF 42 certified, reducing the effects of chlorine in your water, and significantly improving smell and taste. Specification and features. Brand, Waterdrop. Color, light white. Material, plastic. Capacity, 3.5 liters. Included components, 1. Water filter pitcher 2. Replacement, filter 3. User's manual. Product dimensions, 7.3 L x 5.3 inches wide by 10 inches high. Purification method, activated carbon. Model name, WDPT04W. Reasons to buy. Automatic lid. Smart filter indicator. 7-step filtration. Reasons to avoid. Subpar with hard water. Missing activated charcoal. Average filter life. Number 4. Zero Water 5-stage water filter pitcher. The Zero Water 10-cup ready pour pitcher is built to quickly pour water, without sacrificing quality. There is excellent water flow with a comfort grip handle, and ready pure technology, A+, when you are in a hurry. Refills will not be needed as often, with its capacity of 80 ounces, but a quick fill spigot makes it easy to add water, when needed. The entire pitcher is BPA-free. The 10-cup ready pour pitcher uses Zero Water's signature 5-stage water filtration system, that works to eliminate total dissolved solids within your water while also reducing lead and other contaminants. Each filter typically lasts for around 20 gallons, depending on use. There is even a free laboratory-grade water quality meter that is included with your purchase to help you track improvements. Specification and features. Brand, Zero Water. Color, blue and white. Material, plastic. Capacity, 2.3 liters. Included components, electronic TDS water testing meter, Zero Water ZP010 10-cup pitcher, 1.5 volt button cell batteries. Product dimensions, 12.25 L x 6 inches wide by 11.63 inches high. Purification method, ion exchange. Item weight, 4 pounds. Model name, ZP010. Reasons to buy. 5-stage filter system. NSF certified. Compatible with long-last filtering cartridge. Reasons to avoid. May miss some contaminants. Bulky design. Limited filter life without long last. Number 5. Brita large 10-cup water filter pitcher. The Brita standard everyday water filter pitcher is excellent for the average user, with an adequate size that holds either 10 cups of water, or the equivalent of 3 24-ounce reusable water bottles. Using advanced filter technology, its design is certified to remove a number of different contaminants, including copper, mercury, and cadmium. It also makes any necessary chlorine adjustments to improve both taste and smell. However, its removal process is far more limited than other pitchers, like the Ultramax, which contains an advanced water filter. Still, the everyday water filter pitcher is a lightweight and extremely space-efficient water filter pitcher that incorporates an easy fill lid for simple refills. A helpful sticker indicator also quickly shows you when a refill is needed. It uses a standard filter, which has a life of approximately 2 months, before a replacement filter is needed. Specification and features. Brand, Brita. Color, white. Material, polystyrene. Capacity, 10 ounces. Product dimensions, 10.7 L x 5.4 inches wide by 10.1 inches high. Item weight, 2.29 pounds. Model name, Grand. Reasons to buy. Excellent for chlorine. Flip-top lid for refilling. Lightweight design. Reasons to avoid. Struggles to remove lead. Mediocre flow. 2-month filter replacement. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.